Hey there, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a section divider on our GoHighLevel page. Okay, to make your page good looking and professional, sometimes you may need to have a different type of section divider. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how different type of divider, and also I will show you how you can apply this to your pages on the GoHighLevel page builder. Okay, so let me show you first. So this is the first one. You see, for the first section at the bottom we have a divider. We called it mountains divider. Okay, so here's the bottom version of this mountain dividers, and here's the top version. Okay, you see, for this section, okay, for this section we have a divider at the top, and for the first section we have divider at the bottom. Okay, so we just named it. And then let me show other one. We have another one called liner web divider. Okay, so we have three different versions for the liner web divider. So it's actually a some kind of wave like design, right? So here's the top one and here's the bottom one, and then the second version, okay, version 2, which is actually a bit more wave, right? More deep wave. Okay, so here's the bottom version of the liner divider version 2, and here's the version 3, okay, at the top and at the bottom. And we have another one called web gradient divider. Okay, so this divider, the design is totally different than the other one. Web, you can see it has some gradient color also. This is the bottom part of that. And another one, we call it connective circle divider. Okay, so we have the top and bottom version of this also. And then the next one is cascading web divider. Okay, you see the top one and the bottom. So each of the divider we have two versions, as I said, at the top, at the bottom. So you can use based on your need. Okay, if you need just the top divider, then you can use that, or if you need both of them, you can also use that. Okay, and here is the another one, web motion divider. This is the top part and this is the bottom part. And then the next one is split motion divider, and here is the top version of that, and here is the bottom. Okay, and then we have another one called slick line divider. Okay, so this divider has a bit angle. Okay, so here's the top version and here's the bottom one. And the very last one, I think, ocean wave divider. Okay, so it's some kind of ocean wave. Okay, you can see at the top, and here is the bottom. Okay, so these are the different type of dividers we have now. So let's see how we can apply this divider into our GoHighLevel page builder. Okay, so I have already made a design, okay, page with some kind of background color, so that we can make this visually appealing. Okay, and when we apply the divider, okay, so I will add a divider, okay, at the bottom of the first section. Okay, so here is a trick actually. Okay, so if you want to apply the divider for different section, then how you will match the color. Okay, so we can also add a totally different section for the divider. Otherwise, you can also apply the divider at the existing section where you already designed your page. But I always recommend you to create a new section so that it not interact with any other element of your design. Okay, so I am going to use this. So I will add a bottom designer. Okay, so bottom design, and we called it mountains divider. Okay, at the bottom of this section. Okay. So I'm going to copy the code from our library of GHL Code Snippet, and then I will paste the code here. Okay, by using the custom HTML and JavaScript. Okay, here is the code I added, and now I have adjust the color. Okay, so as it's the bottom of the first section, so we will match the color with the next section. Okay, so for this section color we will match. Okay, so let me copy the color code. I just get the color code. Okay, here you can see the color code is I just copied. And then the other thing is we need to delete the pound sign. We need to remove the pound sign from the color code, because we just only need this code. Okay, we don't need the pound sign. Okay, just copy and go back to your editor, and then you will see something like fill. You see fill, then the percent sign, 2 3, and then code. Okay, so you will replace everything where it's a fill equal, okay, percent sign 2 3, and then you will see 6 digit. Okay, it can be digit or alphabet. Okay, but 6. Okay, so we will delete that and we will replace with our color code. Okay, here is the first one, here is another one. Okay, we would not delete the percent sign and 2 3. This is the default, because this is the code which is actually make the svg image. Okay, so that's why we cannot use the direct hex color code. Okay, so now we also have another one. Here is it. So yeah, I just replace the color so that we can match with our design. Okay, and now we copy this class. Okay, this css class. All of our divider has a different css class. Okay, so you just need to copy the class, and then you need to apply the class, okay, to the section where you added the code. Okay, not for this element or not the column or row. Okay, you will apply the css class directly on the section. Okay, you see I just added open the section, and we will go to the advanced tab, and here is the option custom class. I will add the class I just copied from the code. Okay, and then I will save it. Okay, and once it's saved, we'll preview it. If everything goes well, then we should see this divider. Okay, so now we can see some kind of background color. Okay, let me check. Okay, so it has the background color. We will change that background color. Okay, okay, so you can see this section has the white background, which is actually showing here. So we will change this to this section color at the first section color. Okay, so let me open the editor, and then I will apply this color. Okay, so now I will save and preview. If everything goes well, then we should have a good looking divider. Okay, you can see now we have the divider and it's fully responsive. Okay, so if you see this on your mobile device, okay, then it will be fully responsive. You can see the divider is fully responsive. Okay, so it will completely work with the classic builder of GoHighLevel, or if you are using the new page builder, then it will also work. And this way, as I said, we have lots of different type of divider. Okay, like all those dividers. Okay, so these three things you need to do. Okay, you need to copy the code from the GHL Code Snippet library. Okay, and then you will just need to adjust the color. Okay, so you will find the color. Okay, every time if you don't see where to change the color, then just search it with the word fill, and you will see where you will need to change the color. Okay, and don't delete the percent sign and the 2 3. Okay, you will just apply the code color code right after the 2 3. Okay, 2 3, you will add the code after that, and this way you will find how many times you need to repeat the color. Okay, if actually, you know, we have different designs, so some of the code just need one color. Okay, or some of them need multiple times to use the same color. Okay, you don't need to use a different color if you don't actually want to use different color. Okay, so that's it for this divider, and this way actually you can apply any divider we have on our code library. Okay, the tricks and tips is simple and same for everyone. Okay, just at first you will add a section, and then you will add the code by copying from the code snippet library, and then adjust the color, then copy the class. Okay, the class name you will see for every different divider we have a unique class name. Okay, so all you just need to copy the class and then add the class to the section, okay, custom CSS from the advanced tab. That's it. If you find this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. And one more thing I want to tell you here, these codes are our premium code. So if you want to get this code, then you just need to buy our code snippet, and that's it. Okay, so you will see all of different type of codes we have in our library. Okay, we just not this divider, we have lots of other code snippet for go high level, and you can use this code snippet for your pages or your client pages. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.